Welcome. In this video, I will tell you about hiking, diving, and GPS tricks on a HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 that you need to know about. Let's start with hiking and GPS. The first trick is the offline maps that you can download from your HUAWEI Health application by going to Devices section, selecting your device, going to offline maps, and here you can download a map for your routes before you head out, so you're never lost even without a phone signal. The Sunflower GPS system on the watch, which uses the dual band satellite connection type, maintains a lock on your location even in thick forest or steep valleys, offering breadcrumb trails, control lines, and high accuracy that doesn't degrade just because you turn the watch sideways. The next thing is the Waypoint marking for navigation. So during hikes, I highly recommend, and basically that's what this feature is all about, using the expedition mode. It's available by default by pressing this button in the top left corner of the screen. This app lets you find your location easily, mark your current location if you would ever, as a checkpoint, if you'd ever want to return here, you can easily open the map and then just backtrack the location that you marked before. The watch tracks the distance and the direction from the current position to any waypoint, so you can backtrack or navigate directly to it even if you're lost. And also this feature provides you, let me just go back from here. Okay, this feature lets you also check things like barometer. You can also get storm warnings, so basically all kinds of altitude and environmental monitoring, as the watch constantly tracks altitude, air pressure, sunrise, sunset, which are available on the first, I think, on the first screen, sunset and sunrise data for you. All of these things help you avoid trouble on the trail. Now let's go to the diving tricks. So first of all, let's start with a dive workout. We can choose different workouts. For this, you have to open the app menu by pressing this button in the top right corner, and here find the dive option, and at the very top of the list you have 3 different types of diving, either recreational, technical, or free diving profiles that adjust safety stops and alarms. And before diving, you and your dive buddy, if you have a dive buddy, and I think you're supposed to. I'm not a diver, but I think it's pretty dangerous to dive by yourself. Your diver must test and preset messages above the water, which you can do in diver communication. In diver communications, if you go to above water tests, and here you can check how your sonar messaging works, which will let you know if you'll be safe under the water with your buddies. So you can test the preset messages here, as you can see, and also the SOS to nearby watches. Nearby HUAWEI Watches Ultimate 2, and for messages are available within the 30 meters area under the water, and 60 meters for SOS messages, and this feature works as deep as 150 meters under the water, which is actually impressive. And now let's talk about the Freedive hover time that are available here, and also, oh, excuse me, and gas switches. So for freedivers, the watch lets you set a hover time reminder at a set depth, so you can acclimate lungs to water pressure, and in technical diving, quickly switch and edit gas mixes, which I think I just went through them, using the up and down buttons, so no phone is required with you, and yeah, and that's it for the Freedive hover time and gas switch. Now let's talk about automatic dive detection and session login. So in settings, you can enable the auto start dive, and when submerged, the watch auto launches dive mode and logs time, depth, ascent rate, decompression, and also the safety data. And once you surface, you can always rinse your watch using the drain feature, which is available right in the control center right here. Just enable it and shake your watch to let the water out of the watch, well, the one that's left. And you can also check, using this watch, you can also check the no flight time before traveling by air. Now let's I think that's it for the diving. If you want to learn more, basically I highly recommend checking all of the additional features I didn't mention in this video. But one last thing is that even above the water, you have the SOS feature, and it's very important to know how to use it. To use the SOS feature, you just have to press the top right corner button, or the power button, 5 times in a row, and this will enable the emergency mode on your watch, and you will be able to quickly call one of the emergency services like police, ambulance, or fire department. And using the watch application, or the HUAWEI Health application, you can also add emergency contacts in the emergency SOS menu. You can either add them manually or from the contacts on your phone. And so that's the last feature I wanted to tell you about in this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.